Hey future lions, my name is Jazz and today I am taking you with me on my first day at York University. It's 7 a.m. and I'm feeling pretty tired, but I have a morning class, so let's tackle this day like a pro. Coffee? Check. U-card? Check. A cool transition to York Station? Check. Hi there, excuse me.
Hey,
Do you know the way to Very Hall? It's my first day here.
it's that way.
Okay, now time for some serious academic business. Hi, I am Jazz. Do you want to compare notes?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Time to grab a bite. Excuse me, I think we got our orders mixed up.
Oh, sorry, here you go.
Thanks. Hey, I'm gonna go eat over there. Wanna hang?
Yeah, sure. Nice to meet you, man.
Everyone here is so friendly. And that's a wrap on my first day at York. Thank you for tagging along.